Hey creator friends, this is just impromptu. I was actually out here in the backyard doing my video on soap nuts, which is awesome. But Brian went down and checked the mail and I got my Simply Earth box for July. I'm so excited. So I'm going to do an unboxing right now. So I'm going to move the phone so that you can see, and I'm going to show you the awesome things that I got. All right, here we are. So I ordered, you know how you can order things and have them added on to your monthly subscription. So I did that. I got the body wash base, and I'm not going to scent this entire bottle at once. I just really like their body wash base, and it's good stuff. But I'm not going to scent the entire bottle. What I do is I pour these into little 2-ounce increments, and I scent them however I feel at the time. So I got that. I got a conditioner, and I got the shampoo base. I really like these. They work super, super well. And so what I do is I do the same thing with this. I use little 2-ounce bottles, and I scent it with the oils however I feel at the time. Now, here is the July box. I'm so excited. And I actually have a video coming up on Friday that's two things I felt like were awesome that we had while we were on our trip. So I did a video on those. And then going forward, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what's in the July box. And then I'm going to do like 2 videos every Friday or something, 1 or 2, so that I can do all the boxes for the month, or all the recipes that come in that box for the month. Now, this is the thing I was telling you guys about. So what happens now is they have this cool, let me get this out of the way, this cool little paper, and it actually has your journey. So what that means is, there it is, what that means is each box has a theme, and as you complete the boxes, by the time you've done a year's worth, you have learned how January is lotions and balms, soaps, March is face care, April is cleaning, May is hair care, June's diffusing, July is bath and spa, so this box is going to have a focus on bath and spa. August will be candles, September is everyday essentials, October is home remedies, November is gift giving, and December is beauty. So you're going to have, each month you'll have 6 recipes with this focus. So by the time you've done a year, you've learned tons of stuff. Now they also have now a little rewards thing. So for every box you get, after you get so many rewards, you get prizes. So down here are gifts. So on 2 boxes, at box 2, you'll get a free add-on $5 voucher towards something you want to buy to add on to your box. Box 4, you're going to get a car diffuser or a flower diffuser. Those are really nice. Box 7, you get your big bonus box and an inhaler. At box 10, you're going to get a free cleaning tablet. I love those. Those are awesome. And at box 13, you get another big bonus box, and you get Royalty Blend, which is exclusive to the boxes. You can't just buy that, apparently. So then you can get these coupons to give to your friends. And so that is, there's a link down there with my little code, so you can get $50 off your subscriptions, your first $10 off your first 5 boxes. Okay, so that's kind of a new thing. That's kind of fun. I'm excited about that. Now in this box, we're going to have, shampoo base. I already have some, but that's fine. And then, what is this thing? I'm excited. What is this thing? A stone. I think it's for a massage thingy, which is cool. And then there's floating wicks. That's kind of cool. And an inhaler. So of course, let me see if you guys can see, they give you all the labels so that you can label your containers and know exactly what's in there. And this month is lemongrass. That's actually one of my favorites. Energy blend, that's one of their blends. And if you just don't want the subscription box, you can still go over to Simply Earth and buy these things individually. Cinnamon and sage. Those are the oils that are included in this month's box. Now let me look at the recipes, because I'm going to make these. So there is going to be a summer morning roll-on, Fresh Vibes Aromatherapy Inhaler. Ooh, that sounds good. Harmony Diffuser Blend, At Home Stone Massage Oil. That would be nice. Actually, I used to be a massage therapist. You guys know that? I was a holistic health practitioner in Eastern and Western studies. And to put this like up and down, maybe your arms or on your shoulder, whatever, that's going to be awesome. A reset bath melt and a peace floating candle. So this is going to be super cool. And what is July's focus? July is Bath and Spa hero. You're going to be a Bath and Spa hero after you do the recipes included in the July Simply Earth monthly subscription box, which I'm super excited about. So there is your July box opening. And as always, I hope you guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to tell you more about this because it's awesome. But as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.